Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Siempre Infinitos fake bake video. I found some pumpkins in my stash from last year. Not sure what I wanted to do with them until now, and I'm excited to share this with you all. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so can you guess what I chose to do with this pumpkin? If you said ice cream, you are correct. I chose to use Model Magic as my ice cream, and I'm going to need to roll out a piece big enough to cover the top of the pumpkin. When you're rolling out the clay, don't worry if it's not perfectly round, because when you place it on top of the pumpkin, you will begin to gently pull down the clay. We wanted to make it look like the ice cream is melting. I want the stem to be the cherry on the top, so I'm going to cut the clay around the stem, give it another coat of paint, and then add some glitter. As I was conditioning the clay, I started to notice a pretty pattern. So instead of trying to get a pastel/neon purple, I began to shape it into a lollipop. But now that it looks a little too dark next to the bright yellow, not yellow, I'm sorry, bright neon colored, I decided that perhaps it's best that I just make a pink and white, and then I'll just keep this one for another project. I'm going to use a skewer stick to make a hole on the bottom of the lollipop, so when I insert the straw, it will be not only easy, but I also don't have to worry about putting any prints or marks. Okay, now that I'm finished with the lollipop, next I'm going to make two candies out of these two foam sheets. I am so excited because this is actually the first time I have ever done this, and I wanted to share this experience with you guys, and also to show you how crazy easy they are to make. You want to make sure that to just add a small amount of glue, otherwise it will spill out and it can ruin your foam. And if you try to pull it off, it can rip. Also, it can just dry up and it will just look like a hot mess. Now you will see that I was struggling here trying to roll it up until I figured out that by using my thumb and my index finger, this will keep it in place, and as well it will be much easier to roll. Okay, now that I rolled it all up, now I'm just going to cut the white foam, making the green foam lap over. I'm going to again just add a small amount of glue, which is just pretty much a dot of glue. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to my ribbon. I'm only going to add a little bit of glue to each side. I want to make sure that it does not spill out. Once I finish making my ribbon, then I'm just going to cut a little bit off the tail and then attach it to my candy, and that should be it. Did you see how easy it was to make these adorable candies out of foam? Way too cute. Can't wait to make more. Guys, that actually gave me another idea. But unfortunately, we have come to the end of another fake bake video. Well, my good friends, until the next video, stay safe, be kind, bye.